What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. So as you guys saw my last previous video, which I'll link above here, I told you that I had a massive fail. The first cook, first pizza going into the Gosney Tread was a total fail. So if I told you guys if I got more than 20 likes on the video, then I would go ahead and show you guys that fail video because again, it's not all, perfect. Again, you guys see what I edit. Some things get edited out, but I want to just show you guys what a fail video looks like. So hopefully you guys like it. Comment down below, uh, like the video, share it, whatever. Let's just have a fun time. Comment again down below. Let me know what you guys think. Have you had some fails? I'm sure you had. What did you do to get past it? What did you change? But we're gonna go ahead and be watching this video. Again, I'll walk you guys through everything that I did and the moment that I knew that this was going to be a fail. So I'm gonna go ahead and push play here. So that dough is looking really good. This was a 48-hour sourdough that I had made for a little pop-up that I did. This was probably 72 hours maybe at this point. So it's still looking really good. I was surprised. I was happy about it. I knew that this pizza was probably going to be good. Um, so getting some semolina on there, going to stretch it out nicely. At this point, I think I did mention in the video, I'm like, this feels good. So you can see, I'm just doing my simple stretch, nothing too different here. Getting that nice crust. And again, it's a little soft, but it was still stretching pretty nice. So pretty pumped about that. So yeah, that's looking good. And this is just going to be a pepperoni pizza. Again, this was going to be the first video of the pizza. And so here at this moment, I don't know what I was thinking. Normally I stretch over a wooden peel, but for whatever reason, I wanted to use the tread peel. And so I put that down, and I also then went ahead and put, dough straight on there. I think at this point I did say that it's gonna stick, but I was like, you know what, let's just go with it, push through and see what happens. Which again, this is the moment that I really knew that this was going to be a fail. It was just gonna happen, no matter way around it. But I was also hopeful and maybe thinking that I could get past it and maybe it would work out perfect. So got the sauce down, getting some cheese, doing something a little different with my cheese as well, kind of cutting it a little bit differently, seeing if it spreads out nicely. That way you at least get the bite in the pizza. Like I said, all those ingredients were from a pop-up that I did the night before, so everything's still looking pretty good. And so yeah, just gonna get down some of my pepperoni here. And I'm trying to go as fast as possible. You can kind of tell that I'm moving a little bit quick only because again, you basically want to prevent it from sticking at this point. So I'm going with it. I think I dropped a pepperoni here, picked it up. There was a
Okay,
dog,
you
so
need to get out of here,
making sure
okay,
the dog's
Zoom?
not getting to it. But I'm doing a little final stretch, making sure that it's nice and round. And I'm not really checking to see if it's stuck, which I should have at that point. It was probably less than a minute, 2 minutes that the dough was on the peel. And again, this is my first cook in this tread, so I got my
All right, so
thermometer
we got our
gun,
pizza
taking a
made.
look
I'm
at
gonna
that
go right
temperature. I think we were looking
into
pretty
the
good, about
oven. We're looking
800
close to
degrees. So
800.
the oven was
So the
nice and
oven's
hot.
ready.
I
We'll
was
go
ready to
ahead and
go.
plop this
And
right in.
here's where it goes
This will be
all
the first
downhill
pizza
from
here.
here. So
Let's go
you could
ahead
just
and
tell that I
pull
was
this,
not
and it's stuck.
excited. It kept on pulling on it. It got stuck because the
So
oven is all
unfortunately, it
hot
did get a
too.
little stuck
It just
on the
got even more
peel,
stuck on there. So I
but
pull
we'll
it. I'm
make it
trying to save
work.
it. You know, just trying to do whatever I could to do any with it to save it. But fortunately,
And
it's
that's what
just not
happens when
looking
you make
too
a
well.
pizza on the
Uh,
peel, and
the
we
dough
got a
was
big
burnt on
rip.
there or kind of got cooked up a little bit on there. So
Got
still a little
too hot.
hopeful that I could kind of save it, but it was bound to fail. So um, you know,
But
keep
we're gonna
watching
go
from
ahead.
here.
Should be good enough now to spin it.
So I'm going in and I'm like, well, maybe I could
Nope.
save it. But then once I put the pill in there, I saw it and it folded over and I
Well,
just
this one
knew.
was a
I had a couple
disaster.
choice curse words here. And at this point, taking it aside, gonna toss it. There was just no way around it. It's burnt. It's not cooked fully. And again, that's what happens, when you're making a video, things just don't go as planned. So, as you can tell from the previous video, I was able to get a second pizza in there. Fortunately, it wasn't the first pizza, first cook in there, but the second pizza, worked out perfectly. Treads a nice oven. So if you guys haven't checked that video out, go ahead and check it out. I'm going to link that up above. You'll kind of just see that going up there as well. But yeah, it's a failed video. Comment down below. Let me know if you guys want more of these type of videos. I don't have too many too often that I do have, but if I do, I'll let you guys know. Maybe this is something you guys like. Then I'll post it. If not, continue watching my video, commenting, liking. I got some new videos coming out here soon. Some sourdough. I've been kind of experimenting with that a little bit, so I'm going to continue checking that out. Check out my Instagram at the Pizza Guy John, and we'll talk soon.